In this video, we will show you how to attach a file in Microsoft Outlook emails. When you are using Microsoft Outlook and usually you are using another email provider like Gmail, maybe you're confused how to attach the files. Okay, for example here, when we creating a compose message, okay, or we replay the message, the interface of Microsoft Outlook is look like this. In here, usually in the Gmail and another email provider, the attached file icon is below of our editor. Okay. And on Microsoft Outlook, if you want to attach the email, you need just click this icon. Okay. You can browse the file or using OneDrive or using upload and share using your OneDrive, and you can also using link. For example, we browse from our computers. Okay, are we using this for example, and you can see this is our attachment. And also, if you want, you can just click this icon to expand, so you can see there is clear attached file here. Okay, and it is the same. And that's a tutorial how to attach a file in Microsoft Outlook emails. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.